Meet the W.E.T, or Whiskey Echo Tango. With it, you are an alchemist with your spirits. It's a stunning decanter that holds a secret in its center. This secret is in these specially carved white oak spheres inside a patented infusion chamber. Get creative with spices and herbs, alongside oak flavors, inside the infusion chamber. Pour your creation into the infusion chamber, then close the patented wood base. Now open the top cap and pour in your choice of spirits. Now fill to the top. Close and let your new creation sit for several hours or overnight. The results will blow you away. Use the W.E.T daily. Create new experiences. Create something amazing for you and your friends. The stunningly beautiful, elegant centerpiece, Whiskey Echo Tango. Hi everyone, Yossi here, co-founder of Nisnas Industries. We are so proud of our new project, the W.E.T Decanter. All of our whiskey gear has been launched right here on Kickstarter along with the help of our backers. And this new project is a high point for us. The W.E.T Decanter is a new way to enjoy your spirits. With a built-in infusion chamber and proprietary oak spheres, the W.E.T is like nothing you've seen before. At the same time, it's a beautiful centerpiece and an experimental platform. We're sure you'll love it as much as we do. Thank you for your support.